Welcome to How to Solve.
Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to download FIFA 23 on your PC. Let's go! First of all, it is very important to note that FIFA 23 is a paid game, so I will be showing you how to go and basically download the launcher for FIFA purchasing, then downloading it to your computer. Let's get right into the video. So here I am on my computer. So the first thing that you have to do is go and open up a web browser. You can use any type of web browser. It's completely up to you. And then you just have to go to a search engine. For me, I will be using Google. Then what you need to do is go and search for something called EA. It is actually the company who developed FIFA 23. So type in EA. And then let's say app, just like so, because that is the app we need to run FIFA on. So go and search for it. Then what you need to do next is tap on this option here, download the EA app, just like so. Then it will be taking me to this page where it looks something like this. And all you need to do is go and tap on download the EA app, just like so. And the download will begin shortly. This is essentially an installer, and it's important to note that every browser is slightly different. So in Google Chrome, it goes and puts downloads in the bottom left right here, but it's going to open up your file explorer. So to go and find your downloads, then what you need to do is just go and run it. Then you can go and close off your browser and we can go and run through the installer. So I'm just going to go and tap on let's go, and then it's going to go and say downloading stuff. You're going to go and get a Windows security pop up, which unfortunately I can't go and record, but you'll need to agree to it in order to go and install EA. Now you can go and sit back, wait for it to finish, and then once it has finished downloading, you'll be taken to this page right here. And it's saying sign into EA account. If you don't have an account just yet, don't worry because at the bottom, you can just simply go and press create account. So click there if you don't have one just yet. And you can just go and fill in the information. In this case, I already have an account, so I'm going to go and sign in. After you've signed in, the app will now load and here we are. So what you want to do is go and tap on browse on the left hand side like so, and then go and browse games and add-ons. Of course, you want to go and get FIFA, so type in FIFA just like so, enter, and as you can see here it is FIFA 23. We can just go and tap on it. Now, as you can see, we can go and purchase it. The price is actually starting at £60. So once you're ready to make your purchase, you can just go and tap on the select edition, just like so. And here it is. As you can see, there are two different editions of FIFA that you can download. Either the standard edition or the ultimate edition. The standard edition is actually around £60. And the ultimate one is around £80. So you can go and see the differences here on the description. But in this case, let's say that I'll just get the standard edition. So I will just tap buy just like so, and now it's circling. Will take a moment to load. But then you'll have this window here called payment information. Here is the part where you can go and choose how would you like to pay for the FIFA 23. You can go and set credit card if you like, then enter your information. And once you're done, you can go and tap on proceed to review order. And then you can go and review everything and see if you're sure, if you want to buy it. And then once you're decided, you can go and purchase it. It's then going to go in my collection tab here. And this is the games you currently own. As you can see, these are some of the games I currently have in my account. So FIFA 23 is going to be appearing right here. And then it should automatically start downloading. If it doesn't, all you need to do is tap on the download button in the bottom right of the image. Of course, yours is going to appear here once you've purchased it. Then it's going to go and start downloading. And you can start paying it. That's it. That is how we download FIFA 23 on a PC.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.